अब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे क्रैकिंग ऑफ जॉइंट। घुटनों में कट कट आवाज आना, जॉइंट में कट कट के आवाज आना, इस सारे एलियंस में कहां कहां पर है और इसके लिए कौन कौन सी होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन है। क्रैकिंग ऑफ साउंड क्या है? क्रैकिंग ऑफ पॉपिंग साउंड्स इन द जॉइंट्स, आल्सो नोन एज ए crepitus, are common and often harmless. It can be occur for several reasons. कई कारण से ये उसमें कटकट की आवाज आती है। Gas bubble. When you are move your joints, pressure changes can cause bubbles of nitrogen or carbon dioxide to form a burst in the synovial fluids, the fluid that lubricates your joints. This is often the cause of the popping sound when you are crack your knuckles. Second होता है ligament or tendon movement. Sometimes a ligament or tendon may snap over a bone as you move, causing a popping sound. This can be happen, for example, when moving the knees or shoulder. Shoulder को मूव करने से, घुटना मूव करने से साउंड आता है। Arthritis or cartilage wear. In some cases, especially in the sound is accompanied by the pain, it could be give sign of wear and tear in the joint. Osteoarthritis, for example, can lead to the breakdown of cartilage, causing the bones to the rub against each other and produce a grinding and cracking sound. हड्डियां आपस में लड़ने के कारण रगड़ खाने के बाद आपको आवाज आएगा। जब कार्टिलेज खत्म हो जाएगा तब घुटने में आवाज आएगा। Joint instability. If a joint is unstable and movement can lead or clicking or popping sound. Homeopathic drugs are for cracking sound: benzoic acid, cannabis, capsicum, causticum, ledampal, nitric acid, petroleum, rastex and sulfur and thuja. आप टोटलिटी पे जाकर इसको दे सकते हैं। Benzoic acid. Gouty concentration arthritis vega affects all the joints, especially the knee, cracking on motion, nodos, Burbis, lithium carb and lysine. Cannabis sativa. Contraction of finger after a sprain, dislocation of patella on going to upstairs. Rastex. Stiffness and pain in joints, especially after rest or inactivity, which improves with the movement. It is often recommended when there is a cracking in joints, along with sense of discomfort, stiffness and weakness. Commonly used for arthritis and joint pain due to overexertion of cold and damp weather. Nitric acid. Cracking in ear or masticating of the joints on motion. एकदम चबाते समय वहां पेन होना तो। ब्रानिया एल्बम. Joint pain and cracking that worsen with any movement but improve with rest. The affected area may be swollen, stiff and tender to the touch. Useful when the pain is sharp or stitching, especially in case of osteoarthritis. Ruta grievances. Joint cracking accompanied by feeling bruising, stiffness, especially after overuse of strain. This remedy is frequently used to tendon and ligament injuries. Helpful injuries due to repetitive movement of the joint and overuse, like athletes. खिलाड़ियों को बार बार मूवमेंट होने से देखा जाता है। आर्निका मॉन्ट. Painful cracking joint due to trauma, overexertion or injury. Arnica is known as for its anti-inflammatory properties and is often used for when there is a soreness and bruise sensation for joint issue that arise after physical exertion or injury. Calcarea floor. A remedy used for joint problems where there is a lack of flexibility and elasticity in the ligament, tendons, cartilage, cracking in the joints. Stiffness are the key symptoms, especially in degenerative joint condition. Helpful to bone spurs and classification in joints when cracking sounds are heard with the joint movement. Causticum. Joint stiffness and cracking with sensation of tightness and weakness in the affected area. It is especially beneficial when there is a gradual joint deformities or in case of chronic rheumatism. Best for long-standing, slowly progressive joints issue where the person also feel weakness and numbness. Thank you.
We are providing 6 months practical clinical training for BHMS graduates, and that will actually help you to become a good practitioner. So you're welcome to join. Thank you.